Ever wondered why we yawn? Well, get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts about yawning in humans. Did you know that yawning is contagious? Yes, it's true. Research suggests that seeing or hearing someone yawn can trigger a yawn in yourself. It's like a yawn chain reaction. But here's the kicker: yawning actually helps cool down our brains. When we yawn, we take in a deep breath, which increases our heart rate and blood flow, helping to regulate brain temperature. And get this, yawning may also be a way for our bodies to wake up and stay alert. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's not just because you're tired, it's your body's way of keeping you sharp and cool.